how to make a balisong or butterfly knife with knex. So first thing you will need is 4 of these 3-sided or 3 connectors, 2 of these, 6 of these, 4 of these caps, 4 of these washers, 2 of these little things, 2 of the half cap, 2 cap, and then 4 of these orange ones, and then 4 of these. So the first part of this is making the handle part. So first thing, you take 2 of these, 2 of these, 3 of these, and 1 of these. And then with these, or with the handle part, you will need the orange and then this piece. And then you gotta snap this on there. And then for the easier parts is you put these on there. And then you put these on there. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then you will need 2 of them. Next will be the housing. So you'll need 1 of these, 1 of these. You put that in there. And then you take these 2 things. And then you snap them on there. If I can get it. There we go. And then snap these on. Oh wait, no. Snap this on the middle. And then take these 2 and put them there. And then take these 2 blue pieces and put them there. And then you will need your handles. You put them on like so. And then you will take 1 of these per side and then put the cap on. And that is the end of it. And then it's pretty smooth. The only downside is that these are hanging out, but there's no other way.